with a number between 1 and 5,000 because of 5K.
There we go.
And that's why you get bonuses. So lucky at slotlizards.co.
Here we go.
Sarah, new member for 4 months. What's up? Sending good vibes and lots of good luck from San Diego. Let's go. All right, guys, I'll be right back.
Yeah, it's just gonna be me and 5K up in here. Right, K?
Oh, here, put the card.
He's like, all right, up there, up top. And then the moon race happens. Oh. Damn, that thing keeps going by. Huh. Come on, moon race. I'm gonna spark up because Jay's not here. He can't say anything. Come on, baby. Y'all are gonna love a drums hit I had last night. It was bananas. It was absolutely crazy. It's 30 minutes of just pure happiness.
Anything good?
Well, it's coming.
Come on, let's get it, everybody.
I told everybody that they're gonna love that drums.
Oh, one more. Yeah.
That drums video from last night.
Drums explosion.
It was bananas.
I watched it a couple times.
It's.
I wasn't there.
It's almost unbelievable.
Yeah, no worries. Nice. Let's go. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. We already got 564 people.
Come on, baby. Uno más. Oh. There we go. See, it was meant to be that we moved. Forget that game. Got our money back. Not all of it, but hey. Back to back.
What do you mean not all of it? Didn't we just put 300 in?
Put 300 in that.
Oh, I thought you meant all your money in the moon race.
No. Come on, Moon. We'll get it. Feels like one of those nights.
Come on. I don't know why YouTube shows it like this far out.
Oh. Oh, come on now. Dink.
Oh, those were good ones.
Yeah. We'll get some good ones here.
Moon blockers, moon blockers.
Yeah, it was. It's gonna come though. Races.
See if we can get 5 of them like I did that one time. That'd be cool. NES Slots in the house. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Here we go. Come on now. It's coming.
Come on, everybody. Oh, thank you so much, Brandon. Yeah.
Did you see that epic switch? I switched it to 10 cent.
Nice.
From 5 to
Let's
10.
get the major. That'll be the epic
Yeah,
switch.
that's what I'm saying. 973. Bang, bang. Come on.
Save it.
One more.
Come on. Save it.
We'll get one more. 2 more.
Can you not slap it? It's driving me nuts. Sorry. Come on.
It's driving you nuts.
It is. It really is.
I don't know why it bothers you so much.
It bothers me.
Yeah, it does.
Come on. Let's go. It's getting spicy.
There's the major.
Oh, save it.
Major.
Major. Oh. She tilted up. $5 how come you always get the bonus when I'm gone?
Oh.
Nice.
There we go.
Let's get it. Back to back. Back to back. Mike and April do cool stuff in the house. They're going to be at the second stream, everybody. We're going to do a little subscribe-a-thon for them. They're good people. Crystal Mulligan in the house.
Ding,
slots,
ding.
Bink. Oh, I thought that hit it.
No.
Me and Jay can't count.
No, I cannot
They
count.
went by.
I swear that was 6 of them.
They went by. Did you see all the big ones?
Come on. 3. South Bend, Indiana on the house. Thank you so much, Kathleen.
It's coming. I'm doing 25s. Sorry. I just got to do a few of them. I got to get them out of my system. Oh, did you see this?
I did. Dirty dog.
I think it's there. Do it!
Yeah! Come on, guys. Before we start this, hit that thumbs up button. We got 700 people in the house, only 211 thumbs up. We already got a max bet bonus. Because D's a psycho.
Here we go! It's going to be hand pay time. Come on. Oh. Oh, man.
Come on, 6 balls.
Moon!
That's 5 games only. They only give you.
That's fine.
That's good. Oh, did we get a connector? Oh, we missed a connector.
It's all good.
Might not need to play the other best bet.
Oh, we're going to get the best bet, too. We're going to take them both down.
Come on, baby.
Ready to pay the consumables for.
3. It
Just
went by.
missed.
Come on. Retrigger.
Astronauts.
2. Oh my gosh, it all went by.
That's okay. It's okay. They're coming around. This is the roller coaster ride that is how it plays. You know that. Come on, baby. You can do it. I have faith in you.
3.
It's all good. Dupe.
There we go.
I said it would. I knew it would. I knew it would.
Oh, look.
I think we might actually get the major.
Oh, 5 days got a bunch going on.
All right.
Too. Nice.
I think we're going to get the major.
Or just a full screen.
I think we're going to get a
25s.
major. I do.
Let's just get a full screen 25s.
All right, one more. No, we aren't.
Come on, we need to finish strong. What's up, Deanna? 2, 4.
Wow. We're at 9. Did you see that?
Back to back. Back to back.
Again. Oh, with the
Missed it
hanger
by
danger.
1.
I think it's there. It's gonna smash it. I'm gonna do a couple more here. And then I'm gonna switch. All right. Let's see where it's at here. Okay.
That's nice. That's nice.
We want that major to land. Oh! Come on, patches. Okay. It's planned.
Come on.
Moon race. Oh.
That's a big ball. That's a big ball.
Oh, it went
Dirty
by.
patch, dirty patch. It's teasing now, it's teasing.
It's gonna come around.
There we go.
See? Right when I boom.
Moon race is on fire. Let's go, everybody. Robert the accountant in the house. Kim Zilla, what up?
Oh. 3.
I thought a retrigger was gonna hit. Oh, that's Come on,
baby.
Moon race.
Come on, baby. Uh-oh.
Do something. Finish strong. That was bad.
Yeah, that was a rough one.
Thank you guys so much for all tuning in. We appreciate you all. Hope you guys are crushing it out there. Hitting some big hand pay jackpots.
Ooh, we're gonna get the moons. To the moon. Come on, moons.
Some ultimate Firelink tonight. Get the mega. That'd be pretty cool.
67. 17. 52.
1250 seems to be high.
Yeah, it's going.
5 stacks of 3 would be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Come on, machine.
Oh, it just went by.
They all went by.
There's a major too. All right. Come on.
Maybe try some 2 cent.
You think so?
I don't know. Try something different.
Hang tight. I'm just gonna go to 7 and see what. Okay. Oh!
Just missed it.
One more at this, and then I'm gonna switch it. Mm. Mm.
Thank you so much, Loda. Silverlicious, what up? Agni King Corso in the house, what up? We almost got 900 people. Let's keep building. Hit that thumbs up to help us out. 2, 1.
I was there.
Slapping it in.
Come on, baby.
Hold me closer.
What'd you get on that bonus? Like
All right.
150 bucks. They went away real quick.
It went away though.
Best bet will do that, dude.
I know you're watching it. I'm just reading chat, pushing the button. Hoping I get surprised.
It's not.
The waitress at the motorboard.
All right, bring us back 1250. We're gonna get a nice one. Come on, Major.
Come on, machine. Nice. Kai's got some raspberry cheesecake
Just
in the
missed it.
house.
All right, come on now. Big bet.
Your machine's dying.
Yeah, this machine's dying. We should quit at 900.
We'll give it a
Come
few
on,
more.
machine.
Come to us. At 3. One more and that's all I'm gonna.
All right, cash it out.
Security.
That's too bad.
Lots of Modelos over here.
And Modelos? I don't think we can sell those online.
All right, we're going for 11,000.
Check it out, guys. Check it out. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. Detouched his credits. Changed it to money. Come on, everybody. Nene Slot says I need a hoodie. I know. We're working on it. We're working on it. I thought you did it. I thought you did it. Back to back.
Oh, we're gonna have to wait till Longhorn to make
Back to back freak or fake outs. Back to back fake outs.
it. But to bang it out, it's only at the Longhorn.
It's cold in Milwaukee.
Oh,
Well, there you go.
show us some good screen. I like that.
Dude, that's 3 in a row it did that. It's gotta bang it in.
Yeah, it does. It does for sure.
We got 1,568 people in the house. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So here's the situation, guys. Is Rand Jones gave us $100 to give away 4 hats. So what we're gonna do is in the middle of the break, we're gonna take a break at 7:45, and we're gonna go over to the Longhorn and start at 7:15. So you gotta
I
put
mean 6:45.
or 6:45, sorry, 6:45 to 7:15. You gotta send an email to lucky@slotlizards.co. lucky@slotlizards.co with a number between 1 and 5,000 because of 5K.
There we go.
And that's why you get bonuses. So lucky@slotlizards.co between 1 and 5,000, but the entries only count between 6:45 and 7:15.
Mystery.
What do you guys want to do? Oh, we're only doing 528?
I switched it.
We got 3, 5, 3, 5. 5K says 5, 5, 5, 3, 5. 5K says 5. D switched it up to 5. You want to do mystery?
Yeah, I did.
That's okay. Not bad. Not bad. $27. Let's get a retrigger.
All we need is Fruit Dogs. Oh.
Come on, retrigger. Foo dogs.
Oh man, I was hoping they'd travel. Get some
Like a 3 and a 4. That would have been epic.
Here we go.
Yeah! Foo dogs. Let's go.
How about the J? If anybody guesses within 50, I'll send them a $500.
Oh,
They get the number within 50.
okay. 5K said if anybody guesses the number within 50 of the generated number, the number's going to get generated on the next stream. He's giving away $500.
I think we're gonna catch it.
So you guys got to get within 50 of the generated number in the second stream, at the beginning of the second stream.
It's coming.
So a number between 1 and 5,000, emailed to lucky@slotlizards.co between the times of 6:45 and 7:15. That's Pacific time.
Come on, big Fruit Dogs.
Thank you. No entries will be counted before or after those times.
And only one.
And only one per person.
How lucky is that to win $500 and whoa, that's like double luck.
Yeah. Well, that's, you got to get within 50 though.
It's not that hard.
That is 8:45 to 9:15 Central and 7:45 to 8:15 Mountain Time. 5,000 is the best pick. It could be. It's a random number generator. It could be the best pick. One could be the best pick. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Right. We're gonna get it again.
Only the phone, the random the random number generator knows.
And we can't email until the break.
It's gonna come around, I'm telling you. I feel good about it. Oh, nines.
Do that food dog thing again. That was cool.
Do that food dog thing again.
Yeah, we'll get some food dogs.
If that hit on an 880 bet, that'd be 8 G's. So let's get it. Let's get it 8 G's.
That's a lot of hats.
Yeah, that was fun.
That's nice. 40 bucks.
Yeah. Come back around. All right. Oh, I thought we were gonna. All right, Jay, pick it.
Yep, Jade. No entries will be counted before or after that time. Because I got to have a set entry time period.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
Come on, drummies. Oh, so close.
Here's for you guys if you want to chat that up. Thank you.
Oh,
Come on.
all those food dogs up front.
Let's get another bonus. Oh, thank you so much, Teresa G. Oh, I thought I put the energy out there. I did. I did.
It's 528.
That's okay.
Wasn't doing it. I'm going mystery. I don't care.
D doesn't care. Oh, wait, you got to pick first.
This is from Teresa G.
Kevin Bailey, stop spamming 10.
Uh-oh.
Ouchie magouchie.
We're going to get 3 games.
All right, 15's okay. 15's okay. Just connect. Oh! Almost lost you guys. Almost
There we
lost
go.
you guys.
Check it out.
What's that? 27?
24.
24? Nice.
It's going to connect. We're going to get drums again.
Retrigger.
Yep.
Food dogs? Oh, no.
It's good that it's showing them.
Yeah. 72 is good, though.
Here we go, guys. All right. It just keeps adding up.
Basically,
48.
you can enter when we end the stream to when we start the stream.
Oh, come on, baby.
Sounds good? When we end the stream and when we start the stream.
Yeah, 36.
So we're going to end at 7
Add some games.
or 6:45 our time. Start at 7:15.
Wow, this keeps adding
So it's
up.
basically when we're on break is when you can enter.
Yeah.
Oh, we were still in the bonus. I thought we were. I thought we were trying to get the game. That was funny.
Here it comes.
Oh, good. Nice. Another 72.
We're going to get drums again. Watch.
Finish strong. Oh, do it, do it.
Oh,
Oh, another 72.
We're going to get drums. Watch. See?
See? When the drums go up, it's just like that.
You know, if those drums weren't there, you would have got another 72. They blocked you.
This is a good bonus.
We might get another set of drums, too. Oh, I thought we were.
Finish strong. Get that set of drums. Oh, no set of drums.
24.
24.
Look at
477 is pretty good.
that. Yeah.
Tracy in Arizona says, I want to gamble with D. She says, Jay, go to the bathroom and leave me and D alone.
Ah!
Oh,
That
whoa,
switched
jeez.
it. Yeah.
I didn't even sing the
It's
song.
going right here.
Back to back, back
Watch
to
it.
back. Ships.
Zip, zip.
Oh.
That would have been happy.
It would have been a hand pay.
Well, let's put this bang it out. Oh, no, you're in the wrong.
No, this doesn't bang it out.
That would have been your hand.
It would have been a hand pay.
Just that one. Just one.
Well, let's see. What would it have been? 4 times 3 is 12.
40.
24 times 40. So 480. No, it's 960.
Oh, well then. Yeah, darn.
2 would have been a hand pay.
How'd you do last night, dude? Good? I gotta watch the video.
I was crushing it. I was fluffing.
I didn't even sing the songs, guys. You didn't even need to hear the songs. Back to back, back to back. Let's get it. Food dogs. Food dogs.
5. I thought we were going to get 5.
Oh, a stack of 4
I know,
food dogs
I
would have been
thought we were gonna get
epicness.
5 drum trigger too.
Just let this count.
I
This
am.
is fun.
I'm not
This is
touching
fun. Here, let's let this guy go.
it. Go. Oh.
Do 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 do
This is great.
do do. Meow 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 meow.
Now the drum session I had last night. Oh, it was bananas. Oh, this is going hand-pay territory. Come on now.
We got a chance.
I need to touch it. It's too much. Yeah. Yeah. Are people saying don't?
Yeah, hot sauce.
Go, go.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't see the bracelets. Yeah, I didn't see the bracelets.
I know.
Did you see them?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was like, that's why I said go, go, go. And it went, and you were like,
I was looking at the money trees. I was infatuated with the money trees.
I'm just happy that the food dogs are showing up for the.
Oh, Sandra says touch it, D.
This could get to a hand pay.
Come on. Oh no.
It's okay.
One good screen.
There we go. Food dogs.
Come on, re-trigger.
Drums. See?
There we go.
180 on the.
Another 180. What's up, legit money? Can we get it back to back to back? Back to back. Oh, back
Nobody's
to
supposed
back.
to back to back, so I guess not.
That was awesome. No, missed it.
We missed it.
You thought
We
we
got
got
a
it.
4.
Let's go again. Let's let them pick this time.
Yeah.
What do you guys want to do?
It would probably 4 by 5, just so that's what I would go. I would go 4 by 5. That's my jam. I can feel it. I'm in the zone.
I'm thinking mystery.
I'm in the zone, man. Huh?
This ain't Del Cortez.
I'm in the zone right now.
D's in the auto zone. He's in the zone,
I can
auto
feel
zone.
It just, and I normally don't go towards that, but whatever.
All right, D's in the zone. Let's go with D. You guys can pick next time. I'm sorry.
It's coming. Uh-oh.
Come on. Oh, man. Oh, we got one line. Oh, we got some.
We got money trees.
Got money trees. We're at $100.
We're gonna get more.
Re-trigger.
Yep.
You just gotta ask for it, guys. You guys just gotta ask
We got
for it.
bracelet
Yeah.
And money trees.
You just gotta put the vibe out there, guys. The vibe.
I'm telling you.
D's in the zone, auto zone.
Oh.
Let's get in the food dog
Food
zone.
dogs.
Do it.
All right, it's coming. Oh, I thought we were gonna get a re-trigger.
It's right now. It's a re-trigger. Oh, I didn't ask for it. Re-trigger, please. Come on.
Back to back in the boat.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right, little something, 36. Finish strong. Ships.
No, well.
Not bad. 211.
is
Not bad.
I don't know.
So now we're up to back to back to back to back.
Yeah. We need like back to back to back to back, back to back, back to back. I love that song. Do 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 do. Game doesn't pay much, but we haven't gotten like any pick really. We got to pick the grand. Do 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 do. We got 1,790 people in this joint. Unbelievable. Are we going to break a record? We had 1,800 last time. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Help us break that record. Help us out.
Share it.
Yeah, share it out there, guys.
Come on, baby.
The weather in Vegas has been pretty cool for this time of year. It's
No, they say
well,
it's the average.
it's the
They
average?
say-
Oh.
Yeah, I've been paying attention. Last year was warm.
Yeah, last year was super. It was like 70s every day.
I had to wear the too small robe at the Cosmo to go on the balcony because it's cold.
I had to wear this too small of a robe. The Bebe robe.
Couldn't buckle it.
Spot forward. Come on now.
What's up, Tyree Weaver? We haven't seen you in a while. How you doing?
Someone sounds drunk.
Should we go to 14?
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, if we got to 2,000 thumbs up, 5K may go streaking. We don't know.
I'll go streaking.
Unconfirmed. Unconfirmed.
Come on, I'll go streaking.
Tracy Dixon, you missed all the fun. We got a 4-drum trigger. We were crushing
Twice.
it. Yeah, twice we got a 4-drum trigger. You missed it all. You missed it all, brother. It was a good time. Oh, $4.99 super chat. Oh, that didn't connect.
I know.
Married with slots. Best of luck. Just got to the casino. Time for wife to win. I hope so. All right.